Okay, guys, here it is, another tutorial here. This one, we're going to show you how to use the Rejoice Host system, okay, to start your own brand new website for $7.99 a month, as low as, okay, that's right, for $7.99, you can get everything started on rejoicehost.com, have your own website, manage your own website and everything. We're going to show you the secrets. Here's how we do it. First, after registering, okay, and you can see in our other instructional video on how to get it started, you're going to have your domain name, okay, and then you're going to use your domain name / Cpanel. So what you do is you come up here, you type in your domain name, and you type Cpanel, okay. Now, after you log in with your username and password, okay, then you'll notice that we have several things set up for you already, okay. You will be able to set up a new email account. As you can see right here, I'm going to set up a new email account, Bozo2. Type in my password. Okay. Type in my mailbox quota. As you see, passwords don't match. Up. All right, passwords match now. It's now creating that account. Okay. Voila, you just created your own email account available at your domain. Okay, you can forward email, we have spam filters, we've got it all. You can back up your website. There's a backup wizard here that will show you how to back your website up and download it should you need to. We have statistics, which will show you how many people are coming to your site on a regular basis. All right, I like this one, Webalizer, or AW Stats is a very good one too. A lot of these are very technical and whatnot. Okay, so it's best, you know, Webalizer, AW Stats, that's my favorites. Okay, and as we scroll down, we see we have domain database management for some of our advanced people. Now, this particular tool over here, software and services, okay, you'll see that we have several things that you will do, but let's focus on this right here. It's called Fantastico Deluxe. You click on that, and now a new world has been opened up to you. You can use Fantastico to automatically install any of the scripts that are here. Okay? As you can see, we have WordPress. All right, very popular software that you can use to manage your website and install and different things like that. We have a classified system. Okay, that will allow you to start up your own classified ad site. You can start up anything here. This is called a content management system, which is basically means that you are able to manage that content yourself without hiring an outside web developer. Add as many pages as you want. We have a plethora of content management sites that you can install. This right here is a help desk section. So if you have need of installing a site, let's say if you're a beautician or someone like that, perhaps we could customize something like this for you that will allow you to manage your clients. Imagine them setting up their own appointments, different things like that. Who knows? If you have a computer repair business, this would also be good for you as well. We have discussion boards that you can start your own conversation type site. We have e-commerce site. OS Commerce is very, very popular, as is ZenCart. Okay, they will allow you to sell your products online immediately, $7.99 a month. We have a frequently asked questions section. If you are a photographer, this might interest you. Coppermine photo gallery, image galleries that can be installed. Okay, if you're a real estate agent, this down here may incite you or inspire you. We have a real estate listing system that allows you to put in different properties, and you can also install the Yahoo Maps interface so that people can find your properties. Isn't that great? We have PHP auction. We have PHP form generator where you can make your own online web forms. All of that is available here. Now, what we do is today we're going to focus on Joomla. It's one of my favorites. Okay. Now, as you can see, we already have quite a few installations already. Okay. We're going to do new installation. We're going to pick a new directory, okay, because you're going to have to pick something that is not already available as a directory. All right. So as you can see, I'm typing in test site 3. Okay. I type in my administrator credentials. All right. I'm going to go rejoice host, password, rejoicehost@gmail.com. The administrator's full name is going to be Rejoice Host. That's for me, okay? For you guys, you can call it whatever you want to call it. We install it. Now you see that Joomla has been successfully installed under test site 3. So it would be rejoicehost.com/test site 3. I click finish the installation. And because I'm a rather forgetful person, I'm going to type in my email address. I'm going to send that email to myself, reminding me of everything that I just did. Okay. And now I have a new tab up. I'm going to go to Gmail. Of course, I have signed in over here, so I got to sign out. Sign in Gmail. Rejoice host. Gmail. And by the way, if you have any questions, you can always email rejoicehost@gmail.com. Okay. And while we wait, yes, Google, I want you to remember that. All right. Voila. As you can see, my install has been recorded. It tells me what my password is and everything. So I go to the admin URL. I type in rejoice host password. And of course, for all you hackers out there, these installations are being deleted. Okay, now my site is ready. As you can see, I can go to rejoicehost.com/test site 3. And my site is ready. It's populated. It's got everything in there. All I need to do is modify this content, right? Well, of course, this being your own site, whatever it is, you don't want all this stuff up here. So here's what you need to do. I come up here to menus. I click on main menu. Please note the star right here. The default next to this means that this is a page that automatically the site goes to, okay? I click unpublish, okay? All right. I add new content, article, right? See, I clicked on article, and I click new. All right. I go home page. I type in test. Be nice if I could spell, right? I select the section that's going to go up under. Uncategorized is what I selected. I click save. Boom. Content has been created. I click on main menu. You know, I under menu, main menu, then I click home. I change type. Article layout. Select. Home page. Save. Then I click on my other tab. Reload. Voila. Content is there. But you say, what about all this other stuff? What about all this stuff? I don't need all of this stuff. Okay. I come over here to extensions, module managers, all right? Keep in mind what that title is, module manager, because there's a module map for every template. You can go up here to extensions, templates, and as you can see, this is the default template. It's already been selected. You might want to go look up that template's module map, Google that, and then you'll be able to find out where all the module positions are. I click disable. Okay, now I disabled everything, right? But I didn't really want to disable everything. So guess what I'm going to do? Type menu. Main menu. I'm going to disable that top menu there. Voila. Now all my menus are disabled except for latest news and popular, right? Okay. Provided they are named latest news, I can get rid of them. See, I typed in latest and I disable. I click popular and I disable. Please note where its position is. User 2. And the other one was user 1. So that's a hint for those people out there really trying to customize this sort of thing. I click reload. Voila. I am now ready to make things happen. This is now your own website, ready to be fully customized to do exactly what you wanted to do. We can upload pictures, we can do images, do everything. Joomla is a very flexible system. Okay. With that being said, remember we have web designers available who can help you set your own site up, and then you can manage it yourself. After we, of course, make it all pretty, and of course. Our prices start at a deposit of $250 or 50% down. Just depends upon the nature of your request and what you have. Your site might cost $300, and we might say, okay, $150 down, or different things like that. So it's just usually for a full website, let's say 5 to 7 pages, usually it's going to be about $250 down. Depends upon the complexity and how specific you're going to get. Pricing may vary. That's if you want a custom site. If you want to manage your own site, $7.99 a month is all you need to pay if you have your own domain name. If you need to register your own domain name, we have registration tools which are located in the back. There's another tutorial I've done. You could go to rejoicehost.com and you will see how to set your website up under our system. We are available for consultation as you might have need of it. And our prices are reasonable, usually in about 4 hours of consultation, usually at the rate of $25 an hour, about $100. If you really don't understand how to use this particular system, we can definitely set up an appointment and time, and we can talk to us. Remember, rejoicehost@gmail.com. Again, rejoicehost@gmail.com if you have any further questions. It's been beautiful. Have a great day. Get started, man. $7.99. Who does not have $7.99? What is that? Just 1 cent short of $8? You can be online today. RejoiceHost.com. Have a great day.